A feature I am loving in 2025 Photoshop is the dynamic text option. Dynamic text is like having a smart text that shrinks or grows automatically to fit the space you're giving it. So as you can see, hot is extra large because there's only 3 characters in the word hot, and it needs to be the same width as the words above it. So it's really great option to make your characters pop and your text pop. So how do we get this? How do you make it happen? Well, I've got a regular line of text here, and I could try to do it manually where I would highlight the word and then resize it again, trying to make it fit. And obviously that's not what we want. What we want is to just click a button and make it happen. So we're back at where we started. What you need to do is double click the T icon on your layer, that text box there, double click it, and that will open up this top menu. And here you'll see this new icon, which is a T with a lightning bolt. And if I click that, it's automatically making my text dynamic. And you'll see that that feature is turned on. If you check that little T again, you'll see the lightning bolt is beside it. And that means it has dynamic text activated. And if I want to change it or resize it, I can just do that by changing the size of the box itself, moving it around. And if I want to turn that off, if I don't like it for whatever reason, I just double click on that T icon again, and then I can just go back up to the top menu and select it and it's off. But as I said before, I'm loving it. I want it on, and that's it. This is also available in Adobe Express, which I use often, and it's a feature that I've always loved in Adobe Express, so I'm really happy they brought this into Photoshop. I hope that you guys find it helpful, and if you did, check out my playlist in Photoshop where I have more tips and tricks like this. Thanks!